When E30 appears on your display, it may be caused by loose pin or wrong sequence. Unplug the XHB connector at the connection between the display main line and the junction box. Check for loose yellow pin and red pin. If it's loose, please re-tighten it. The order of the pin is blue, black, purple, gray, red, green, yellow and white. If the yellow and red are reversed during maintenance, it will also cause E30 to appear. After adjusting, plug it back in, restart the display, and you will find that the E30 has disappeared. If the pin here is not loose or the order is correct, but E30 still appears, it may be due to the display. We need to replace the display. First, turn off the display, unplug it. And replace it with a new one. Now we restart it, and the display is normal. If the first two troubleshooting methods cannot solve the problem of E30, it may be caused by the subcontroller. Unplug the 8-core's XHB connector of the subcontroller from the junction box. Then restart and find that the E30 disappeared. It means that this is a problem with the subcontroller. Just replace it with a new one. If the E30 still doesn't go away after troubleshooting the previous steps, it means that it may be the cause of the main controller. Remove the broken main controller and replace it with a new one. Apply thermally conductive silicone evenly on the controller. This can improve its heat dissipation and make it safer. Then we put it back. Use a 3mm Allen key to secure the screws. Put the lid on. Use a 4mm Allen key to secure the screws. First, connect the ground wires on the main controller and the subcontroller. Use high-temperature resistant insulating tape and wrap it uniformly. Connect the 9-core's XHB connector on the main control to the junction box. Then connect the motor hall wires. Be sure to connect the same color wires. If connected incorrectly, it will hurt the motor and the controller. Be sure to wrap the black area completely with insulating tape. All motor wires need to be wrapped. Now let's connect the power cable. First, the ground wire, wrapped in insulating tape. Then the red power cable. There will be a little spark here. Please be careful when connecting it. Again wrapped in tape. Secure the motor cable and power cable together with cable ties. Cut off the excess ties. Now we restart it, and we will find that the E30 has disappeared.